dear students, hope you are enjoying my digital lectures. I am Fariha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of Digital Academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today, my topic is common factors of two or more two-digit numbers. To find out the common factors of given three numbers, we have an example. In this example, you can see that we have how many numbers given? Yes, we have three numbers given. Check the statement of the question. Find the common factors of the number 24, 32 and 48. So, we are going to find out the factors by dividing the given number by different tables. So, to check that if the number is divisible or not, we are going to check that the number must be completely divisible by the number from which we are dividing. Because we must have the remainder, you can say that 0. Okay, so in this way, factors of the number 24 is equals to, we will write it down like, as you know that 24s are 24. So I will write the number 1 here and the number 24 here. Now, you know that the number 12s are 24. So, I will write the number 2 after a comma and the number 24 and the number 12 before the number 24. Now, I am going to check that the number in 3 timetable, there is also the number 24. You know it, 3 8s are 24. So I will write the number 3 over here and I will write the number 8 over here before the number 12. Now my dear students, I know this thing that in 4 timetable there is also 24. 4 6 are 24. So I will write the number 4 right after the number 3 and after a comma I will write the number 6. Because you know it, there is no other number which divides the number 24. So my dear students, I will write it down, or I can say that factors of 24 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now my dear students, in the same way I will write down the factors of the number 32. You know it, 1 multiplied by 32 is 32. So I will write number 1 here and the number 32 at the last. You can see it. Now I will write it down like the number 2. By dividing the number 32 by the number 2, I will get that 2 16s are 32. So I will write the number 2 here after a comma and then I will write the number 16 before the number 32. Now, I know that in 4 timetable there is the number 32. So, I will write it down as 4 8s are 32. Okay. So, my dear students, I am going to write down the number like this 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. In this way, you can check the sequence. In this way, I am going to write the numbers in ascending order like this. Now, to find out the factors of the number 48, I know this thing that 1 and 48 are the numbers because 1 multiplied by 48 is equals to 48. Factors of number 48 is equals to, I know this thing that 1 multiplied by 48 is always equals to 48. So, I will write it down 1, comma and 48 over there at the last. Now, I am going to write down, I know this thing that I can divide the number 48 by the number 2 to get the next factors. So 2 24s are 48. So I am going to write it down that 2 and 24 over here before the number 48. Now I know that in 3 timetable there is also the number 48. By dividing, I have seen it that the number 3 16s are 48. Now I am going to write the number 3 here and the number 16 before the number 24. Now in 4 timetable there is also the number 48. So I will divide this number 48 by the number 4 to get the next number. The next factor can be easily get 4 12s are 48. So 4 I will write here and 12 I will write here before the number 16. Now my dear students, I am going to multiply the number 6 and 8 to get the number 48. 6 8s are 48. I will write 6 here after the number 4, and then I will write a comma and then write the number 8. Now my dear student, these are all the factors of the number 48. So I will write it down like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. To find out the common factors of the number 24, 32 and 48, you know it, we are going to get the common number in between all of these 3 given numbers. Or you can say all of these given 3 factors. So given 3 factors, you can see that 1 is common. So I will take 1 over here. I will circle 1 and I will write number 1 over here after equal to sign. Now I am going to see that the next number which is common here is the number 2, which is common in given these 3 factors. So I will just write the number 2 over here after a comma. Now I have to check that which next number is common in given these 3 numbers. So here the numbers which is common, you hear the factor which is common over here is number 4. So I will circle the number 4 in these 3 given numbers factors, and then I am going to write down it over here after a comma. Now I have seen that the number 8 is also common in given factors of the number 24, 32 and 48. So I am going to write 8 over here also after a comma. So these are all common factors of the given 3 numbers, that is 1, 2, 4 and 8. So in this way we do find out the common factors of given 2 and 3 numbers. I hope the concept is clear to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then, take good care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.